Hey folks, this is Priyansh Magotra. My story is not just about me, it's all about we, a big family together. Linux World is not just a place, it's more than what we think or what we believe. Linux World is not just an institution, it's a locus from where no one goes back empty handed. It was one of my best days I've ever experienced in my whole life. That day, a man suddenly arrived on stage and in front of 1,000+ audience, he challenged himself. Just give me 45 days. Just give me 45 days and I will prove you what you all are capable of. And then a new chapter of my life began. Just within 10 days, he is able to spark a light of hope, an enthusiastic power within us that will lead us to walk along with him and learn more and more along with him. A trust has been built within me that I am still worthy. At the end of the 45th day, I literally feel emotional that why this internship is going to end so soon. Why we cannot learn together again just like our first day. I still remember a great line from a great leader that I want all my students to be recognized as an idol in the world. Just have some faith in me and I will prove myself right. And he kept his promise in the end. And in the end, we got what we want. A true teacher holding hands of his students, listening to them, laughing with them, enjoying every single second with them. I will never find such a teacher in my life again. To set an example what the real leader and what the great teacher is. Vimal sir will always be the one person I believe. I am able to achieve the dream I always thought that are impossible to achieve. What I learned from him by sharing your knowledge, knowing the correct approach and helping others while working hard to give your best, you can achieve your goals. All it takes patience, helping nature and believe in yourself.